What are reproduction strategies? These are the evolved parents and traits organisms use to maximize reproductive success, including sexual and asexual reproduction, mating systems, and life history strategies. First of all, what is a periodical cicada? The term periodical cicada is commonly used to refer to any of the 7 species of the genus Magicicada of eastern North America, the 13 and 17-year-old cicadas. They're called periodical because nearly all individuals in a local population are developmentally synchronized and emerge in the same year. Its common name is simply periodical cicada. Pretty simple, right? Its scientific name is Magicicada septidemsine. The winged imago, or the adult periodical cicada, has 2 red compound eyes, 3 small ocelli, and a black dorsal thorax. The wings are translucent with orange veins. The underside of the abdomen may be black, orange, or striped with orange and black depending on the species. Cicadas cannot sting and do not normally bite. They have mouthparts used to pierce plants and suck their sap. These mouthparts are used during the nymph stage to tap underground roots for water, minerals, and carbohydrates, and in the adult stage to acquire nutrients and water from the plant stems. Adults are typically 2.4 to 3.3 centimeters or 0.9 to 1.3 inches, depending on the species. Mature females are slightly larger than males. They reproduce sexually. They live underground as juveniles before emerging above ground for a short adult stage of several weeks to a few months. Folks from the Mississippi River basin to the eastern United States and Canada are pretty familiar with the periodical cicada. Periodical cicadas form dense choruses where large numbers of males synchronize their songs. Annual cicadas, the ones you hear every summer during the dog days, tend to call individually rather than in coordinated groups. In both cases, the male's song is the opening move in the mating process. Females don't sing. Instead, they respond to a male's call with a quick flick of their wings that produce a sound ranging from a soft rustle to a sharp pop. The timing of this wing flick relative to the male's call is species specific, meaning different cicadas use different rhythms. This prevents cross-species mating attempts and helps males zero in on the right partner. Males can detect both the visual motion and the sound of the wing flick. When a crossing male perceives a female's response, he increases the frequency of his calls, relative to how far he moves, essentially slowing down and calling more to draw out additional responses. If he gets multiple replies, he stops his fly and sing routine and switches to courtship mode, beginning a signaling duet with the female to locate her precisely. Periodical cicadas use at least 16 courtship calls, each developed at a different stage. The first call initiates a duet with the female. Between calls, the male walks toward her. As he gets closer, he shifts to a second call. After making physical contacts or preparing to mount, he switches to a third call that continues through copulation. This process lasts for 35 minutes approximately. Periodical cicadas rely on a survival strategy called predator citation. They emerge in such enormous densities, sometimes millions per acre, that predators simply cannot eat them at all. Birds, mammals, and other animals gorge themselves, but the sheer volume of cicadas ensures that plenty survive long enough to mate and lay eggs. The strategy works in part because the cicadas vanish for so long between the emerges that predators' population cannot build in anticipation. Facts. Periodical cicadas spend 13 or 17 years underground as nymphs, feeding on the tree roots and developing slowly before emerging as adults. Cicadas emerge in synchronized broods, triggered by soil temperatures. Once above ground, adult periodical cicadas live only 4 to 6 weeks. During this brief period, they mate, lay eggs, and die, leaving behind the nymph skeleton.